Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Georgi, and today I'm going to show you how to do a gradient overlay on a text using Tailwind CSS. Let's start by adding one div. Let's add the text on which we want to apply our gradient overlay. I will say span gradient overlay text, closing the span. Let's move this text to the center so we have a better visibility. We'll add class flex and we'll say justify center, and we'll say items center, and we'll add the width screen and height screen. Now our text is in the center of the screen. Let's make our text bigger so we have a better view of our overlay. Class text 6XL and font bold. In order to apply our gradient overlay, we need to first make a gradient background. We'll do this by background gradient, let's say to bottom right, and we'll say from yellow 300 to pink 600, for example. Now we have a gradient background. In order to apply this background as an overlay, we just need to do background clip text, and then we need to say text transparent, and this will make our background to be applied as an overlay on the text. And this is how easy it is to create a gradient text overlays with Tailwind CSS. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified when I post my next video. See you next time.